Good morning, guys. It is a beautifully cool Saturday. I'm about 20 minutes from Kassel Performance in York, Pennsylvania, and today we are putting this car on their Mustang Dyno. So, as some of you guys know, Mustang Dynos are also known as heartbreak dynos. So, I have no idea what it's gonna make. I'll be happy with 300, but you know, there's no guarantee that it'll do that. But we will just have to see. But the car has been running flawlessly so far. We have done, how many miles have we done? Sorry, I'm just really tired. 173 so far. All right, so we made it to Kassel. Oh yeah. I would say that we're in the right spot. Well, as you can tell, I still have my hawk pads on the car from the track day with Hooked on Driving. They are fantastic, but boy are they loud. I got some really funny looks on the way in, driving through a neighborhood in this thing, but oh well. Hello, hello. Wow. Huh. Those look familiar. Would you look at that? Those do look vaguely familiar. Man, talk about a beautiful waiting room. E39 M5. Perfect. My goodness. I hope you guys can hear me better. I got the media mod thing from GoPro, so I'm really hoping that this sounds better. So if it does, comment in the video if you like this better, and I'll try to work on some more audio stuff. But how are you? How are you? Good, man. Holy crap. Okay guys, the car is strapped down to their Mustang Dyno. As a reminder, the car has status group, headers, rasp eliminator section 1, unresonated X-pipe, and I haven't done the review yet, but I'm loving this thing. Their new V1, well not new, but it's new to me, V1 muffler. Also, car has the basics, you know, rod bearings, valve adjustment. What I'm really interested to see is how the new Mishimoto electric cooling fan works and the Turner street power pulleys. So, and it has E46 intake, mixed reviews on that. You know, you research it, they don't really make any more power, but, and then Rogue Engineering intake elbow. So, very interested to see what this car is going to make on a Mustang Dyno. So, I'm not expecting the world, but you know, it'll still be fun to see what it makes. And God, look at this dyno room. Is this not awesome? The lighting makes the car look so much better than it actually looks in person. On my way out, there was a gravel truck with the door not closed and I couldn't get away from it. So a lot of nice rock chips. So I will be seeing Frank's Auto Body sometime very soon because that's, you know, a little frustrating. But you know what? He's coming back in a minute. He's just washing his hands from strapping the car down, and let's see what it makes. You weren't kidding about it being loud in here. Sweet. It's a good thing I left the track pads on it. Good? Oh yeah, those hawk pads are working. I love how it sounds like a school bus when you stop. Those hawk pads.
Feels nice.
Sounds awesome. I don't get to see my car go by very often. Thank you, sir.
There you go. All right, car turned out great. Feels good. Sounds really good.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, the exhaust sounds awesome. It sounds good in here. Then out on the street, it was quite pleasant.
Yeah.
Not droney, and it actually was pretty good. Power delivery was pretty kick-ass. We got such a flat torque curve on it. I mean, from start to finish at 3,000 RPM here the whole way up to redline. I mean, it's just a tabletop, and that's pretty awesome to see on one of these. And for a stock cam car, we're at 304 wheel.
It's pretty healthy.
Yeah, for here, I know some guys will say that feels low or sounds low. It isn't low. We see a stock car here about 275, anywhere from like 265, 285, but 275 is usually the number I run with. After tune-on-one, we like to see in that high 290s, low 300s. With the headers and with some of the other mods you have on here. 222 wheel torque, 304 and a half, I think it was 304.
Yep, 304.5.
Horse is pretty solid. If you want more power,
Cams. But for being a track car, I don't need any more power right now.
Or turbo.
I'm good with NA.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate your business.
Absolutely.
Have a good week.
So if you guys need anyone to help you out with tuning, anything like that, Kassel Performance. Those are your guys.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely. Thanks, dude.
Yep, absolutely. Have fun.
Okay, guys, so car is tuned. Car feels phenomenal. I'm just getting on the highway now to head back. It's about 180-mile drive back. So this will be a good opportunity for me to really find out how much different the car feels. But already it feels so much nicer around town. The Vanos transition is so much smoother. As you guys saw in the graph, it had some dips before, but Kassel really straightened it out, nice and smooth. The car feels fantastic. And also what he talked about with the status group exhaust, no drone. Guys, we're doing 80 right now, and it's nice and quiet, relaxed. I have the air conditioning going. Kudos to status group. Don't forget 10% off if you use my Instagram name as a coupon code. So save yourself some money there. I've had status group parts for about 3 years now. I have no desire to switch. I'm more than happy with their stuff. So let's keep going. Long drive back. Beautiful day though. Like, the weather is just phenomenal. Look at that view. Holy crap. So we're about 80 miles out. And yep, definitely not gonna make it on fuel. So gotta find a place to stop. But I was able to get on the car before because found a little playmate back there. And holy cow, this car feels very different. Like this, the car feels so smooth. The power is just there. Rev matching feels easier. The car definitely feels so much happier. I'm very excited for the next track day. This car, you know, feels night and day different. Kassel Performance all the way. Okie dokie, guys. Made it home. 385 miles today. That is a good amount of miles. So, oh my goodness. The car feels phenomenal. Shout out to Jim at Kassel. I'm speechless. The car feels fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.